So please watch this video.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sung Won, a surgeon, regenerative and lifestyle medicine specialist who has passion for preventing and reversing chronic disease. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about one of the most important molecules in our body. Many experts now believe deficient production of this molecule is one of the major causes for chronic disease.
Ulitin ko po number one, this doctor is a expert about regenerative medicine, no, and prevention. So ibig sabihin, ano bang ginagawa ng regenerative medicine? Pag sinabi mo regenerative medicine, since surgeon siya, yung recovery, no, yung ibig sabihin yung pag nagkaroon ng trauma yung katawan, na damage. So, para mabuhay ang tao, maka-move on, maka-move forward, at maka-recover, expert siya doon, okay? And he also has the passion on preventing medicine. Anong sabi niya po, ladies and gentlemen? Sabi niya, yung molecule daw po na pag-uusapan natin plays a major critical role doon po sa lahat ng klase ng sakit. Okay?
People are suffering from, such as cardiovascular disease, stroke, metabolic syndrome, and dementia.
No, sipin mo, sabi niya, napaka-importante doon ng molecule na to, grabe sa cardiovascular health, sa mental health, no? Sa metabolic, ibig sabihin buong katawan. No, yun ang gusto niyang i-imply.
In 1998, Nobel Prize was awarded to 3 American scientists for discovering the function of this molecule as a key signaling molecule in cardiovascular system. Since then, over 175,000 scientific papers have been written about this molecule and has been found to be essential in many other bodily systems, such as immune system, nervous system, and many others. This molecule...
So, sinasabi niya, 1998 daw, may na-discover na molecule na nakafocus lang daw muna doon sa cardiovascular health. Pero, napatunayan niya na more than 170 plus thousand pa lang noon yun, yung discovery. So, sabi niya, ano ba tong molecule na to? So, nagpatuloy daw po yung research.
Hi, my name is Dr. 175,000 scientific papers have been written about this molecule and has been found to be essential in many other bodily systems, such as immune system, nervous system, and many others. This molecule is known as nitric oxide. So what is nitric oxide? Nitric oxide is gas composed of nitrogen and oxygen. It is one of the most important signaling molecules that is found throughout the body and produced naturally. It was initially known as a signaling molecule in cardiovascular.
Oh, initially known, Take note of that word. Initially known as a signaling molecule. So ibig sabihin, when you say initially known, dun lang nakafocus yung research niya. Pero since grabe nga yung research up to date,
system, but now it's coined as the miracle molecule.
According to research and studies, from signaling molecule, naging miracle molecule. Take note, milagrong molecule siya according to research and mga experts.
As it plays so many critical roles in our body.
Plays so many critical roles in our body. Grabe. Sipin mo, yung milagrong molecule na yan, napaka-importante niyan bakit ka buhay ngayon.
So how do we produce nitric oxide? There are 2 main pathways. First is called the endothelial pathway. Endothelium is a single cell layer located in the inner layer of the arteries. When shear stress is detected, nitric oxide synthase, an enzyme found in the endothelium, is stimulated to convert amino acid L-arginine into nitric oxide. This is a very complex system. Unfortunately,
ang sinasabi niya, ladies and gentlemen, di ba? Ano ba yung nitric oxide? Sabi niya, napuproduce daw yun sa katawan. Ang dami niya na sinabi, di ba? Yung L-arginine, ganyan-ganyan. Bottom line, sinasabi niya, very complex. No, napakadaming pathway, napakadaming dadaanan bago siya makuha. So parang impossible siya na ma-replenish, yun na sinasabi niya. Pero daw, fortunately,
as we age, we damage the endothelium and lose our ability to produce nitric oxide. By age 40, we lose about 50%, and by age 60, we lose about 85% of our ability to produce nitric oxide. This is one of the main reasons why after age 40, many people experience increase in blood pressure, gain extra weight, experience brain fogginess, fatigue, and increase in blood sugar, leading to prediabetes. Fortunately, we have a second pathway, and it is called nitrate-nitrite pathway. By consuming food high in nitrate-rich dark green leafy vegetables, such as arugula, beet, spinach, and celery, our body can produce nitric oxide through our GI system. First, nitrate in green leafy vegetables.
Sabi niya, napaka-importante daw na buti na may second pathway. Ulitin ko ha. Sabi niya, Doktor, okay, saan ba galing ang nitric oxide? Yun ang sabi niya. Napaka-complex pala niya. Nasa katawan mo, pinuproduce siya naturally. Yun yung unang pathway. Kaya lang sobrang complicated. Parang imposible siyang ma-replenish. Yan. Sabi niya, fortunately, meron tayong tinatawag na dietary nitrates. So, pag sinabi mong dietary nitrates, dun daw siya nag-activate sa intestines mo, doon sa sa GI system, gastrointestines. So, ang kailangan mo lang daw, makahanap ka daw ng nitrates and nitrites. Okay? So, pakinggan muna natin siya ulit.
Is converted to nitrite by oral bacteria.
Oral bacteria, yeah.
Then, when it gets into our stomach, it converts nitrite into nitric oxide.
Okay.
Here are the top 10 proven health benefits of nitric oxide.
Kinig.
Number 1. Promotes healthy heart.
Wow.
Nitric oxide is important to heart health. Its vasodilating effect protects the heart from effects of hypertension. It also prevents platelets from clumping.
Sabi niya, protects the heart from the effects of the hypertension. So, ibig sabihin, ladies and gentlemen, kaway-kaway po sa mga may high blood dyan. Pag kayo po may high blood, whether you like it or not, talagang sisirain yan ang mga major organs nyo. Like kidney, liver, all the major organs. Yan ang kaya siya kino-contain. Pero, pag may nitric oxide ka na adequate, pinoprotektahan po yun. So, kailangan nyo siyang maintindihan kasi buhay po ninyo ang pinag-uusapan dito. Buhay po ng mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Kung gusto nyo humaba ang buhay nyo, better listen to this kasi this is really based on research.
And forming blood clots, which is the main cause of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, nitric oxide reduces low-grade inflammation. This low-grade inflammation contributes to development of atherosclerosis and other heart disease. Because nitric oxide also functions as an antioxidant, it can protect the heart from harmful effects of free radicals and oxidants.
Hindi lang yon ha. Yung nitric oxide, nagiging rin siya. Heart health. Yung pinuproduce siya, pinoprotektahan niya. Ang matindi, may antioxidant pa pala yan. Ang tindi ng nitric oxide ha. So, ganun siya katindi. Balik natin dito.
Because nitric oxide also functions as an antioxidant, it can protect the heart from harmful effects of free radicals and oxidants.
Grabe.
This health effect can help reduce the risk of developing heart problems such as heart attacks, atherosclerosis, and hypertension. Number 2, slow down the aging process.
Pampahaba ng buhay.
Mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. Its main function is to turn the food we eat into energy. As we grow older, our cells' mitochondrial activities decline. In fact, its declining level and activities contribute to normal aging process. Studies have shown that nitric oxide is known to boost the mitochondrial health and help maintain cellular balance.
Wow! Grabe, no? Sipin mo, aging. So, ibig sabihin, kahit nagkakaedad ka, pag adequate yung nitric oxide mo, nadidelay siya. Bakit? Iba yung chronological age mo, yung edad, no? Kunyari, 50 ka na, pero yung cells mo pala pang 30. Na-prevent niya yun. Kasi, ang tinatarget pala ng nitric oxide, yung tinatawag nating mitochondria. Yung mitochondria na yan yung pinaka nagpo-produce ng energy mo. Kaya pag umiinom ka nung Kayani Nitro Extreme, Nitro FX, napapansin mo sobrang powerful ka. Kasi, nagpe-penetrate siya directly doon sa mitochondria mo. Galing, diba?
Number 3, reduces diabetic complication risks. Poor blood circulation results in diabetic complications such as heart disease, diabetic retinopathy, kidney failure, nerve damage, and foot gangrene, resulting in amputation, among others. Nitric oxide's effect on blood vessel improves blood flow and help reduce diabetes risks. It also improves insulin sensitivity. Number 4, improves brain functions.
Alam niyo ba, I was speaking kanina with Dr. Vincent Santos. And ang pinakamatindi doon, ang mga tao palang may diabetes, pag hindi talaga yan na contain at tinulungan, talagang it's going to damage a lot of organs and lahat ng mga arteries and veins mo. So, it's very scary if you know someone, yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay na may mga diabetes. I suggest you better really let them watch this video kasi it's not a joke. You know, it's not a joke. Na habang tumatagal yan and you're not doing anything about it, nako, baka, you know, mawala ka ng wala pa sa oras because you were not able to do something about it. Kahit knowledge lang, no? How are you going to reverse it and help your body recover?
Nitric oxide plays an important role in the way our brain cells transmit signals. It's also vital to brain's blood circulation. Low brain nitric oxide levels, according to studies, contribute to the development of brain disease.
Grabe din.
Nitric oxide's vasodilating effect promotes better blood flow throughout the brain. With a good blood flow, our brain cells receive adequate supply of oxygen, nutrients, and minerals essential to a healthy brain. This improves brain performance. Number 5, mobilize stem cells. Nitric oxide is an important molecule, affects gene expression at the level of transcription and translation, and regulates cell survival and proliferation in diverse cell types, including pluripotent stem cells.
Sipin mo ha, when you say proliferation, ang stem cells kasi ganito yan. Sige, let's talk about the concept of people who wants to recover from sickness. Pag meron ka kasing mga sakit or chronic diseases, lalo na yung mga cancer, yung mga iba-ibang klase ng sakit, nade-destroy kasi dyan yung cells mo. The problem with that is, yung cells mo na dapat mamatay, hindi siya namamatay, nagiging abnormal. Yun yung pinaka-kinokontrol. Pero ang problema, since meron kang daming abnormal cells, yung cells mo na normal, kailangan palakasin yun eh. Kasi sila kasi yung papatay dito. No? Dapat mas madami yung normal cells mo kasi dun sa mutated. Anong connection nun sa stem cell? Malaki. Kasi syempre, pag nagre-reproduce yung bone marrow ng bagong cells, kasi lagi nagre-regenerate ng cells eh. Pag ang stem cell ng bone marrow mo hindi okay, hindi ka makakapag-generate ng mas maraming stem cells. O, kita mo. Anong sabi niya? Nitric oxide ang nagtitrigger noon. So, in other words, kaya siya nakakapagpabata. Isang bagay na rin yun kasi because effect ng aging, effect ng ganito, yung anti-aging. Pero sa cellular health, matindi siya.
Many studies have also shown nitric oxide modulates mobilization of mesenchymal stem cells.
Grabe, oh.
Number 6, increases energy levels. As mentioned earlier, the cell's mitochondria converts nutrients we eat into energy. The more mitochondria that produces the energy, the higher the energy level. According to some studies, people with sedentary lifestyle have lower amounts of mitochondria. They are also at risk of mitochondrial dysfunction. Nitric oxide boosts mitochondrial activities. It also increases mitochondrial density. These effects help increase energy levels. Number 7, improve erectile dysfunction. To maintain erection, there has to be adequate blood flow. Unfortunately, age, chronic medical disease, and medications can cause erectile dysfunction. Lack of blood flow is the main cause of erectile dysfunction and can be considered one of the first signs of cardiovascular disease. Nitric oxide, as a potent vasodilator, relaxes the blood vessels in the penis. This increases the blood flow and fills the blood vessels. These effects help achieve and maintain an erection. Nitric oxide is also a neurotransmitter in nerve cells that is released once it receives signals from the brain and initiates the erectile process. Number 8, increases telomere.
Yun.
Telomeres are structures found at the end of our chromosomes.
Grabe.
Chromosomes are made up by 2 DNA strands. Now, telomeres protect our chromosomes and prevent DNA strands from unraveling and splitting apart. Without telomeres, our DNA won't be able to function properly. Unfortunately, our telomeres weaken and shorten as we age. Studies reveal that nitric oxide has the ability to prevent age-related telomere shortening and even increase the length. It also has the ability to boost the telomere activities. Number 9, improves athletic performance.
Pag-usapan muna natin yung telomeres. Okay. Mamaya, pag nagpunta kayo ng Google, makikita nyo, yung telomeres, ang sinasabi niyan, it's a sign of immortality. Grabe. So, anong ibig sabihin, no? But when you study telomeres in a science perspective, ang ibig sabihin lang niyan, pinapahaba yung buhay. Okay? The longer the telomere, the longer the lifespan. So, yun yung sinasabi niya kanina, na yung nitric oxide, pinapahaba niya yung telomeres ng katawan natin. Kasi pag tumatanda, no, kaya namamatay, lumiliit yung telomeres. Yun. So, ang tindi, di ba? Isipin mo kaya, tinawag siyang miracle molecule.
Nitric oxide, as mentioned earlier, boosts energy level by boosting mitochondria function and density. It also dilates the blood vessels during the exercise program, allowing the muscles to receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. These effects in turn improve athletic performance. According to one study, nitric oxide supplements increase exercise capacity, endurance, and tolerance. It has shown to improve athletic performance by 16%. It also helps improve time to exhaustion. Number 10, promotes healthy immune system. Immune cells, especially macrophages, release nitric oxide. These macrophages are responsible for detecting pathogens. They engulf these pathogens and destroy them. They also help in eliminating toxins and other cellular debris. One study revealed that macrophages produce and release nitric oxide, and increasing nitric oxide levels can help immune systems control the infection caused by pathogens such as bacteria and other pathogenic organisms. So how do we increase production of nitric oxide?
Yan. So, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, doon sa pinakita ko sa inyo, grabe po yung role ng nitric oxide sa katawan. Hindi po siya birong molecule, no? So, it's not a joke, okay? It's really something that we really need to understand. So, magkaroon lang tayo ng konting recap. Diba? Ayan. So, sabi ni Doc, ano yung una? Napaka-importante ng molecule. Pinag-aralan siya noong 1998, na-discover siya as a signaling molecule ng cardiovascular system. Nobel Prize Award daw. Diba? Nobel Prize Award Research. Ngayon, tingnan nyo to, ito yung dapat mong pag-aralan. Sabi niya, pagdating mo na ng 40 years old, 50% na lang yung natitira. So whether you like it or not, bukod dun sa pinakamalaking problema na nawawala sa'yo, ito po talaga yung nangyayari. Kumakapal ang ugat. Yung sinatawag na low-grade inflammation, yun po yung nagkukos nito, ng mga bara-bara na yan. Na yun po ang kayang i-prevent ng nitric oxide. Unfortunately, kaya nga po kami talaga passionate to share this kasi we want to educate people na, hello, guys, come on, lahat po tayo may ugat. No? Huwag mong sabihin forever kang 18 years old. Kada birthday mo, palapit ka ng palapit sa pag-deteriorate mo. O, kung 50 ka na po, next year 51 ka na. Kung 60 ka, next year 61 ka na, 70, o, di ba? So, ang goal mo, as early as now, maintindihan mo paano mo ipe-prevent yan. Kasi ikaw din yung mahihirapan. Importante na yung pinaka-importanting molecule sa katawan mo na tinatawag na miracle molecule, yan dapat ang hindi nawawala sa'yo. Ang problema nga, di ba? Ayan. Pagdating mo ng 40s, warning zone ka na po. No? Kaya napakaswerte po ng lahat na nandito ngayon sa Zoom na to, especially sa mga bago, at lalong-lalo na sa mga leaders na nagsispread nito because we are doing something very noble. We are doing something that's going to change the lives of each family are alive in the world And that is something ha, kung nga tayong lumayo, family na lang natin. We are going to help them a lot. And you know what's the good thing? Our product is proven, tested, validated by science to produce the nitric oxide of the body. No? Sobrang ganda po. Okay. So, yan po yung sinasabi ni ni Dr. Won, no, na first kailangan mo maintindihan kasi grabe. Hindi lang siya basta sa cardiovascular health, sa telomeres, anti-aging, may telomeres na siya, pampahaba pa ng buhay, pampalakas ng mitochondria, it has influence in your immune system. So, hindi po biro yung ginagawa po ng nitric oxide natin. Ngayon, syempre, since naiintindihan na natin yung nitric oxide, na sobrang importante siya, ano ba yung pinaka-another goal na kailangan mong maintindihan? Okay, so we have the miracle molecule who has a inversively strong influence in all the bodily function ng katawan mo. Pero syempre, meron silang dapat protektahan din, no? Lahat ng ugat, meron tayong tinatawag na cells. So, the question is, meron ka nitric oxide, but still, you have to protect the cells na meron ka. And take note, 37 trillion ang cells in the human body. Okay? Ang tanong, paano mo yan poprotektahan? Diba? Number one, di lang protection eh. You have to protect it kasi lahat ng ugat, meron pong cells na kung saan nagdadaling po yung endothelial lining natin. Diba? So, poprotektahan mo siya, kailangan mo rin siyang in-nourish. Tama? So, ang pinaka-good news po, naglabas po si Kayani ng solusyon dyan. Kasi syempre, everyday, kahit kumain ka ng 1 kilong baboy, hindi mo kayang ibigay yung nutrisyon na kailangan ng 37 trillion cells mo. Kahit kumain ka ng sobrang daming gulay, unang-una, hindi mo kayang tapatan pa din yung nourishment na kailangan ng 37 trillion cells mo. Okay? So ngayon, buti na lang, nagpinag-aralan nito. By the way, nakaka-proud lang po si Kayani kasi what they did is they created really a very massive and powerful research and development. So dito, sa kanilang research and development, okay, tapos na tayo sa nitric oxide, no, sa miracle molecule. Pag-usapan na natin something to protect. Ano yung kakaiba dito? Unang-una, meron po itong tinatawag na wild Alaskan blueberry. Yung wild Alaskan blueberry, yan po yung isa sa pinaka-powerful na antioxidant resource in the planet, sa buong mundo. Pero hindi lang yun ang ginawa nila. Nilagyan pa siya ng 22 additional superfoods. May vitamins, may trace elements, may minerals, may vitamin C, may B-complex, may folic acid, may biotin, may taurine, may zinc inositol, may choline, L-theanine, natural trace minerals, and other phytochemicals. Ladies and gentlemen, all-in-one po yan. Nilagay po yan dun sa Kayani Sunrise. Again, pinaghalo-halo, wild Alaskan blueberry, 22 superfoods, may vitamin C, vitamin B, may folic acid, lahat ng yan nilagay doon para pag ininom mo, yung 37 trillion cells mo, protected. Okay? Ngayon, pag-aralan natin na konti yung major ingredients niya. Yung wild Alaskan blueberry daw, yan yung pinaka-potent source ng antioxidant sa planet. Ulitin ko, bakit kailangan, Miss Cookie, maintindihan mo yung antioxidant? Kasi, ang antioxidant, yan yung nagpo-protect para wag masira yung cells mo. Yan yung nagpo-protect para yung kidneys mo, yung liver mo, wag silang mag-deteriorate. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Para pagdating ng panahon, no, talagang mamamatay ka na lang ng malakas, hindi yung sobrang may tumor ka, yung mga ganun, di ba? Kasi darating lahat doon, pero maiiwasan yon kung as early as now, naiintindihan mo paano mo aalagaan ang sarili mo. Okay? So ngayon, ang maganda dito, yung capability to protect the cells ng antioxidant natin 10 times higher than the common blueberry. Bakit big deal yan? Kasi according to research, sabi nga nila, yung common blueberry daw po, kaya niyang, ang katumbas niya di ba ito yung blueberry. Take note, blueberry pala nga, hindi wild. Ang power ng blueberry, katumbas ng 24 na prutas, 23 na vegetables, 16 herbs, 10 different nuts, 4 dried fruits, katumbas ng po yan ng isang blueberry. Take note, hindi po tayo isang blueberry lang. We are wild. So, ibig sabihin, 10 times. So, para kang ang isang wild lasang blueberry, ang katumbas niya, 24 na klase ng prutas, 23 na vegetables, 160 herbs, 230 vegetables, 100 different nuts. So, ang ibig sabihin, isang ingredients lang po yun. O, isipin mo yan. So, meron pa siyang asahi berry, may grapeseed, may maki berry, may mangosteen, cranberry, pomegranate, red raspberry, wolfberry, ginseng, ashwagandha, amla, aloe vera, kale, broccoli, spinach, green tea. Ladies and gentlemen, all in one. Doon lang po yun, no? Ang kalabas po niyan, may greens, may superfoods. Lahat po yan, ladies and gentlemen, ang katambas, isang sachet lang po yan ng Sunrise. And take note, if you are a member, if you have an ID number, yung ganyan ka-powerful na juice is only 90 pesos. Kita mo? Mas mahal pa ang Starbucks. Oh. Ganyan katindi po yan. At pag titingnan mo ang ingredients niya, ganyan po kadami. Sobrang dami niyang ingredients. Yan po yung nagno-nourish sa katawan mo. So, anong sinasabi dito? Ang isang pirasong sachet na to, para kang kumain ng 173 cups ng kalabasa. Would you believe that? Para kang kumain ng 61 cups ng avocados, plus yung 173 cups ng kalabasa. 46 kale, cups of kale, no? So, ladies and gentlemen, sinasabi ko to sa inyo because you deserve the best. Okay? All organic, sobrang ganda ng products. Talagang yung pinagsama-sama. Just imagine you drink this every day. Yan na yung nourishment na kailangan ng 37 trillion cells mo. And, kinumpute ko to if you're going to eat it, lahat-lahat sabay-sabay sa isang araw, you have to spend at least 17 to 18,000 a day. Just para matapatan mo lang yung nutrients na yan. But the problem is, if you have the 18,000 pesos a day for a juice, you cannot even drink that. Oh, di ba? Kaya itong Sunrise, grabe, ibang klase din po ito. You have to really take it, especially kung may mga, ito lang maganda to sa mga bata, sa mga apo ninyo, kasi matindi to sa brain development. Instead na painumin nyo ng mga tiki-tiki or whatever, mga vitamins na mga synthetic, mas okay na ito na lang po painumin nyo. Kasi juice, pwede nyo silang bigyan ng 5 ml, na kahit mga 3 ml a day, tatagal yan. Sabi mo 90 pesos, ang vitamins ng bata, isang buwan na yan kung titipidin mo. O, di ba? Pero kung sa normal, kung marami ka naman pera, just drink it every day. Para ka lang din naman nag-meal. Di ba? Magkano naman ng meal sa labas? 50 pesos. Pero wala namang nutrisyon. Ito, 90 pesos, you have all the nutrients you have. Makakatulong ka pa, no? At least, meron kang leeway to help your body recover. Okay? So, another good news here is that yung absorbability niya sa katawan, 500,000 public clinical research plus 100,000 po yung bioavailability. Ibig sabihin, 100% na absorption ng katawan. Yan, no? So, sobrang ganda ng products natin. Now, let's talk about, okay, so meron na tayong miracle molecule na nag-i-influence ng lahat ng mga bodily processes mo. So, siya rin yung nag-make sure na yung pathway ma-absorb mo. Naiintindihan mo na rin how to protect your cells from any form of antioxidant. Pag-usapan naman natin yung recovery and preservation. Kasi, isipin mo, since wala kang alam, di ba? Every day, kumakain ka na may prito, kumakain ka na matatamis, hindi balance yung lifestyle mo, umiinom ka ng tubig na galing gripo lang, merong chlorine and whatever, no? So, ang nangyayari, nadadamage yung cells. Pangalawa, hindi mo na pe-preserve. So, ngayon yun ang pag-uusapan natin. Napoprotect mo now, how am I going to help my cells recover and to preserve? So, ito siya. Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung human cell. In order for it to be well-nourished, kailangan makapag-penetrate po yan dyan sa tinatawag nating cellular membrane, yung kulay green na yan. So, ito po yung rason kung bakit ang daming taong nagkakasakit. Because basically, they don't even know how to take good care of themselves. And ano po yung logic behind it? Ngayon, what is the problem? Ito pong cellular membrane na to, para po makapasok yung mga iba't ibang klase ng nutrients, kailangan nalalagyan po siya ng tinatawag nating fat-soluble vitamins. Pag wala pong fat-soluble vitamins, hindi po yan na-absorb yung mga nutrients. Kaya dapat synergistic talaga yung iniinom mo. Meron tayong tinatawag na protein, may fats and carbohydrates. Yun po yung binigay ng Kayani. Kaya po meron po tayong nitro-nutrition, yung dinidiscuss ko po ngayon. Kasi yan po talaga yung pinaka way for us to, take good care of ourselves. So, ito na siya. So, number 1, unang-unang recovery, syempre, kukontrol muna natin yung inflammation. Kasi dyan nagsisimula lahat ng sakit. 90% of the inflammation of the body, kailangan yan ma-reduce. So, ang good news, tinest po yung products natin sa New Zealand. Kaya ako talaga, sobrang in love ako dito sa Sunset. Kasi, it's really it's a woman's best friend. Kabi nga namin, bukod pa honestly ito ang vitamins ng mga Diyosa. No, it is the highest form of vitamin E in the planet. Pero honestly, it does more, far more beyond na kayang gawin po ng vitamin E. Grabe po ito talaga. As in, I love what it does in the body. Ngayon, syempre, bakit nakakatulong to sa recovery and preservation? So, listen very carefully. As you can see, tingnan nyo muna mabuti to. The structure of the tocotrienols is very different from the structure of the tocopherols. Makikita mo dito na yung tocotrienols, ladies and gentlemen, maliit yung maliit yung circle niya. It's like parang bilugan, no? Yung vitamin E sa labas, mahaba. Pero take note, billions ang sales, Pero, yung what it does in the body is unmatched sa ginagawa po ng tocotrienols. So, anong sabi dito? Bakit siya makakatulong mag-preserve at bakit siya makakatulong mag-recover? Unang-una, pag ininom mo yung Sunset, it is easier and more bioavailable to the tissue. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, mas na-absorb siya ng katawan mo, ladies and gentlemen. Mas nagpe-penetrate siya down deep sa katawan mo. Okay? And it has the better ability to move around the cells. So, tingnan mo sabi dyan, dito ka nagulat. Pag ininom mo yung Sunset, it penetrates your blood vessels up to 70 folds. O isipin mo na lang, ito yung fold yung tupi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Grabe, 70 folds. Just imagine how deep it penetrates your body. Pangalawa, nagaano siya, it moves around the cells. So, trillion cells. Guys, 37 trillion cells. Ano ginagawa niya? Iniikot niya yung cells. Pinipenetrate niya yung cells. Ganon. Tapos, take note, yung penetration niya saan pumupunta? Take note, guys. Activation of the wide variety of gene signals. Wow. Umaabot hanggang genes. Hanggang subcellular level. See? Kaya niya na-preserve. Kaya niya na-poprotektahan. Because its capability to go deep inside your body, ibang klase. Yan yung sinasabi kong quality. Yan yung research and development. Sobrang tindi. Ngayon, ang matindi pa dito, meron pa siyang tocotrienols, may omega-3, may astaxanthin siya, may vitamin A and vitamin D. So, pag-usapan natin yung mga ibang benefits niya, bukod doon sa preservation and recovery, napakaganda niya sa skin and hair, antioxidant, sa heart health, reduce blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, protect brain cells from getting damaged, anti-cancer activity, plus may radiation protector siya. So, bagay na bagay siya, ladies and gentlemen, doon sa mga tao po na nagki-chemotherapy, okay? Yung mga taong meron pong nagra-radiation therapy, and mga ladies, yung mga babae pong nagkakaroon na po ng menopausal problem. Kasi as we get older, nagiging menopause na po tayo, ang nangyayari po, yung bone health, naaapektuhan po yan. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, ibang klase po ito. So, ang point ko lang is this. Just imagine, nag-effort po yung company na maibigay yung the best for us. O meron tayo, isipin mo we have the miracle molecule. And then we have the protection for the cells, the antioxidant, the most powerful source of antioxidant. Then we have recovery and preservation, which is very amazing, na pumupunta siya hanggang gene health. Gene health, ladies and gentlemen. No? Subcellular level nourishment. Tapos, sobrang affordable. And not only that, I was really amazed with the sunset kasi meron siyang tinatawag na, ayan, no? Research about cancer. Sabi dito, it's coming from the University of Massachusetts. Sabi dyan, basahin niyo mabuti, ang tindi po, sabi niya, tocotrienols have repeatedly, listen very carefully, repeatedly, paulit-ulit na napatunayan na pinipigilan ang pagdami, inhibit proliferation. Why is it a big deal, ladies and gentlemen? Ang cancer cells, kaya siya nakakamatay kasi yung mga cells na dapat nang mamatay, hindi sila namamatay. Nagiging zombie sila. So, nangyayari, since ang dami nilang mga viruses, kakainin niya yung katawan mo hanggang sa hindi ka na makanourish kasi nga dumadami sila, lumalaki sila. Pero anong sabi dito sa research? Paulit-ulit na patunayan na pinipigilan yung pagdami, yung pag-proliferate ng cancer cells. And cells, hindi lang yon, pati yung mga cells na magiging cancer, yung magiging malignant, nako, pinipigilan niya yun. Paulit-ulit na napatunayan ha, repeatedly been shown. O just imagine that, ladies and gentlemen. So what is that? According to research, University of Massachusetts, no? Kung ayaw mo magka-cancer, prevention is still better than cure, you better take it. Kung may lahi ka ng cancer, take this. Kung may cancer ka, please, I beg you, drink this. It can help you. No, you don't even know kung mag-react agad ng katawan mo dyan, di ba? Because it's based on research. Chemotherapy nga eh. Wala ngang assurance eh. Ang matindi, bakit 1% lang? Kasi ang chemotherapy, kaya niyang, pinapatay niya ang good and bad cells. Ginaya niya yung neutrophils ng immune system mo. Yung ano ibig sabihin neutrophils? Yun yung mga parang suicidal white blood cells mo. Yun ang nagkukos ng sepsis. So what's my point? Simple lang guys. Walang gamot dyan eh. Hindi nga yan ma-define ng science eh. So nothing to lose. Everything to gain. May research, tinutulungan, hindi niya pinapatay yung mga good cells. Only the bad cells. Okay? Another thing that I like here is that, sabi dito, ito Institute of Cellular and Molecular Biology. Take note, magkaibang laboratory, pero isa po sinasabi. Sabi, sinusuppress ang tumor growth. Bakit sinusuppress ang tumor growth? Bakit? Kasi, pag nasuppress ang tumor growth, ano ibig sabihin? Hindi po dumadami ang cancer cells. Oh, ganun yun. Kaya lumiliit yung tumor, hindi na sila dumadami. So, tinitrigger ng sunset yung apoptosis, yung cellular death. Ganun kaganda. And take note hindi tayo nagsasabi niyan. It's the experts. It's the research. Proven, tested, validated by science po yan. Yung mga research na yan. Okay? So, what else? American Journal of Physiology and Heart Circulatory Physiology, sabi dito, tocotrienols protect against brain cell damage. Di ba ganyan din yung nitric oxide? So isipin mo, meron ka ng miracle molecule, i-enhance pa siya nung sunset, it prevents cancer, sabi po dyan, and reduce cholesterol, which is not present in any other forms of tocopherols. Guys, ito lang mas, I'm very passionate about this. Kasi, first, you will never encounter a product line that is synergistically working together for our greater health. Wala. Ang dami dyan. Pero yung synergistic, yung may miracle molecule, meron kang antioxidant superpower, di ba mo, 10 times higher than the common blueberry, tas ang dami, sunrise, tas bigla meron kang preservation, yung sunset. Wow! You know what? Sa totoo lang ha, talagang talagang God-given gift. And, ayan na ino-offer na sa'yo. You just have to take it. Ang ganda guys, no? Okay, so may question tayo I'm going to answer later. Eds, no? Babalikan kita. Now, let's talk about this. Okay, syempre, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ito na ha. Meron ka ng miracle molecule. Meron ka ng protection ng cells mo and nourishment. Meron kang recovery and preservation, no? 'Di ba? Recovery and preservation. Third, yung digestion and absorption. Importante din po 'to. Miss Cookie, ba't ang dami? Siyempre, ang dami mong katawan, no? Ang dami mong system. O, hindi pwedeng isa lang. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Ha? Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Kailangan maintindihan mo, iba-iba function yan. Ang kidneys, hindi humihinga, lungs yun. Oh. Ang kidney, yan ang naglilinis, yan ang umiihi, hindi naman pwedeng umihi ang mata. You understand? My point is, ang galing ni Kiani eh. Inano niya eh. Tinarget niya lahat. Tapos naka-center sa nitrogen. Ito na, yung restore. Okay. So this one is going to take good care of your liver health, your digestive health, your kidney health. Yan. 5-in-1 yan. So, kidney support, liver support, digestive support, enzyme support, and nitric oxide. Why? Guys, ito lang yung probiotics na nagpo-produce ng nitric oxide. So, bakit importante nitric oxide? Di ba yun na nga? Miracle molecule yan. So, ano sabi kanina ni Dr. Won? Nagtitrigger ang conversion saan? Sa intestine, sa GI. So, ang ginawa ni Kayani to make sure na talagang sobrang magiging effective yung products, talagang ginawa niya pa ng kakampi, ng enhancement. Kaya pala kapag tinake niyo yung Kayani product line, maniwala kayo sa akin, lahat ng tao na nakakainom nito regularly, they cannot live without it. Because it's really resetting kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan niya. Katawan natin. Okay? So, ano naman po itong restore? So, as you can see, ito yung pinaka-importante. So, para kanina ba yan maganda, Miss Ko? Number 1, baka may mga kilala kayo may fatty liver. May mga kilala kayo may problema na sa liver, may mga nagkakaroon sila ng mga kidney, yung mga, para mga cyst. Yung mga taong mataas meron silang gallbladder stones, na maliit pa lang, na ayaw pa nila magpa-opera. Para wag nang dumami yung gallbladder stones nyo, uminom po kayo ng Restore. Yung mga taong hirap na maglinis ng kidneys, this one is very good for you. And also for absorption ng enzyme. Sige, explain ko sa inyo mabuti. Okay, tingnan nyo to ha. Okay. Ito yung liver, correct? Ngayon, ang ginagawa ni liver, nagpuproduce siya ng bile. Ano yung purpose ng bile? Yung bile, siya yung nagko-concentrate ng pangtunaw ng kinain mo. Kunyari, kumain ka ng sobrang tabang pagkain. Sobrang deadly na pagkain. Mga coke, mga chichirya, basta mga bad, mga sobrang mga prito. Si bile, ipuproduce siya ni liver. Kasi ang gagawin nga niya, si bile, tinutunaw niya yung mga fattiness ng kinakain mo. Klaro. The problem is, since hindi ka nga maingat, nagkakaroon ng fatty liver yan, nasisira. Pag nasira si liver, hindi ka na makakapag-produce ng tamang amount ng bile. Yung mga taong merong gallstones, isa lang ibig sabihin nun, may fatty liver ka na din. Hindi naging okay yung liver mo. Why? Hindi ka magkakaroon ng gallstones kung ang bile mo enough ang pinuproduce. Gets niyo po? So ngayon, para matulungan natin yung liver, lalo na pag meron siyang fatty, kailangan mo uminom ng Restore. Kasi yung enzyme na nanggagaling na pinuproduce ng pancreas, meron dun sa Restore. Yung amylase, yung lipase, yung tryptase. Ngayon, bakit kailangan mo din alagaan yan? Kasi ganito yan. Pag sobrang fatty yung kinakain, si pancreas, nag-i-excrete yan ng sobrang effort. Pag nahirapan si pancreas, lagot ka dyan. Anong gagawin yan? Pag yan nasugatan, magre-release yan ng enzyme. Yung enzyme na yon, ang ginagawa nun, pag lumabas yun sa katawan mo, kakainin niya, kakanibalism niya yung sarili niyang pancreas. Yan yung kinamatay ni Steve Jobs. Bilyonaryo nga, hindi kinayang pagalingin yung sarili. Ikaw pa kaya? Anong point ko? Maiiwasan po yun. If you know the knowledge. So, kung may fatty liver ka, uminom ka ng Sunset, huwag mong kalimutan tong Restore. Paano po ang pag-take niyan? Kada kain nyo, inom po kayo ng 2 caplets. Yan, capsule. Ang tanong, paano kung 10 beses ako kumain? O di 20 capsule ang iinumin mo. Ganun talaga. Paano pag isang beses, di isang beses na. That's how powerful Restore is. Okay? So, if you really want to help your liver, you want to help your, your body, yan. Yan po yung importante. Okay? So, yan po yung itsura ng fatty liver. So, saan po yun na yan, no? Kumakain ka ng trans fat. Hello, McDonald's. Hello, French fries. Hello, Mr. Shrimp. O, diba? Hindi ka kumakain ng, ng balanced diet. Ang lahilig mo sa bread. O, diba? Tapos, hindi ka nag-exercise. Tapos, ang dami pang mga medications. Nahirapan ang liver dyan, mga kaibigan. So, if you love yourself, you have to understand, effort po. Ang pag-ibig nga, ini-effortan ni sarili pa kaya. Sure. O, diba? Pag walang effort, wala pong nangyayari. Tama, may kumatawa dito. Talagang hugot line. Diba? So, ngayon, okay, nandito na tayo sa solidification. So, kaya nitronutrition siya, no? May body balance din. Remember kanina? Anong sabi? Protein, fats, carbohydrates. Yan yung kailangan mong balansihin. So, meron tayong fats, right? Yung ating sunset. We have the carbs, no? Yung carbs natin na maayos is the sunrise. At the same time, yung yung nitro, it's also a carbs, pero may ginagawa siyang difference, no? Kasi nga, siya, yung mga fruits, veggies, no? Yan. So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung protein. So, paano ba mababalanse yan, Miss Cookie? Ayan siya. Ay, bakit nawala yung protein dito? Na-delete. Yung ating, na-delete siya. Yung origin and restore, nawala dito. Fit 20. Okay, pakita ko lang yung itsura. Ayan, no? So, ayan siya. Itong tatlong to. Ito yung magbabalanse. Okay? Ang ginagawa naman ito, they are providing the protein that you need. Ang maganda sa kanya, meron siyang MCT, okay, yung pinaka-anti-inflammatory na galing sa virgin coconut oil. Meron tong tinatawag na collagen, which is the one who's protecting the fascia. Yung fascia, yung pinaka importanting naghahawak-hawak nung nagsusolidify ng lahat ng bodily system mo. Ngayon naman connection malaki din. Kasi pag nag-deteriorate yun, naiipit naman ng nerves. Pag naipit ng nerves, hirap na naman yung katawan. Alam mo yon, napaka-complex sa totoo lang ng body, especially as we grow older. So, yan po yung pinaka, natin, yung ating pinaka-product line. So, before I proceed with what's in store for you, gusto ko munang sumagot ng mga question and answer sa lahat. Okay? So, sabi dito, may nagtatanong po kung effective yung sunset sa mga skin diseases and skin disorders. Yes. Kasi, unang-una, Eds, ang ginagawa niyan is, kinokontrol niya yung inflammation ng katawan mo. Okay? So, ngayon, yung inflammation ng katawan mo, ladies and gentlemen, di ba? So, pag nakokontrol yung inflammation, ibig sabihin yan, dahil lang ha, may tumatawag. Dahil lang, sabi mo nasa Zoom, okay? So, kapag naano yung katawan, yung inflammation ng katawan, naano yun, okay, na nakokontrol. Yan. Yes, Ma'am Mary Grace, okay na okay po siya sa goiter. Okay. So, mag-proceed na ako, no? So, pwede naman kayo magtanong mamaya. Okay. So, ang good news, tanong muna, did you appreciate the products? Please say 1. Type 1 kung na-appreciate nyo kung gaano kaganda yung products natin. Type 1. Okay. There you go. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng product line natin. Okay. So, ngayon, gusto kong ituro sa inyo, okay, paano po kayo makakagkaroon ng, di ba ang unang goal kasi, gusto kong makainom ng products natin. 'Diba? Gusto ko siyang mainom. So dito, good news. By being an advocate of the product line,
when you think insulin resistance and diabetes risk, you probably don't think about the molecule nitric oxide, because nitric oxide is most well known for its effects in opening our arteries and allowing better blood flow, a matter of cardiovascular health. But I posted a short post in my Physionic community wherein I describe, based on my investigations, that nitric oxide seems to improve blood sugar uptake by the cells of our body. Not only that, diabetics have less nitric oxide, as well as being less responsive to it. To me, this implies another mechanism by which we experience blood sugar intolerance as we head towards diabetes.
For years, Kyani's Nitro Extreme has been your industry-leading go-to performance booster for nitric oxide production, helping people to experience the nitro effect, maximizing nutrient absorption, energy, and circulation. Now, Kyani is taking Nitro Extreme to the next level of innovation and efficacy. Nitro Extreme is all new and more powerful than ever before, with 30% more noni concentrate, supporting nitric oxide production, all with an amazing new pomegranate flavor. It's time to ramp up your nitric oxide production, ignite your performance, and up your game with the all-new Nitro Extreme, part of the Triangle of Health from the leader in healthy living, Kyani.